168. That's how many hours there are in 1 week. If you're a student, you probably feel like this is not enough. I know. You have so many assignments to do, projects to work on, and tests to study for. Plus, you have other activities and commitments. And you want to have a social life, too. Wouldn't it be nice if you could study smarter, get good grades, and lead a balanced life? Of course it would. Here are our top tips for getting the most out of study. 1. Pick a place and time. Everyone has their own idea about the best place and time to study. Whether it's your bedroom at night or the library after school. Find a study space and a regular study time that works for you and stick with it. Set up your study space. Your study space should be quiet, comfortable and distraction-free. It should make you feel happy and inspired. Decorate it with your favorite pictures or objects. If you want to listen to music or burn incense, pick a space that lets you do that. Find your best time. Some people work better in the morning. Others work better at night. Work out which time suits you and plan to study then. Don't study much later than your usual bedtime. Pushing yourself late at night can make you too tired to study properly. 2. Study every day. If you study a little bit every day, you'll be continually reviewing things in your mind. This helps you understand things. It also helps you avoid the stress of last-minute cramming. Early in the year, an hour or two a night might be enough to stay on top of things. Later in the year, you might need to study more each day. If you're finding it hard to find time to study, cut back on some of your other activities. Prioritizing study might mean spending less time online. Or it might mean cutting back on shifts at work. Or giving weekend sport a miss for a while. 3. Plan your time. It helps to have some plans in motion so you can make the most of your study time. Set alarms. Use a wall planner. Make to-do lists. Set time limits. 4. Discover your learning style. Most of us have a preferred way of learning. Get to know the learning style you're most comfortable with and study in the ways you learn best. Note that these styles are just a way to think about different studying techniques. They're not hard and fast rules that say you should only study in one way. Try each of these out and see which ways you prefer. Auditory learners. Visual learners. 5. Review and revise. At least once a week you should go back over the things you've studied in class. Thinking things over can help you to understand the concepts and help you remember when you need them the most. 6. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks while you're studying. Especially if you're feeling tired or frustrated. Working too long on a task can actually decrease your performance. When you take a break, make sure you get away from your desk or study space. A bit of physical, even just a walk around the block, can sometimes help you to look at a problem in a different way and could even help you to solve it. 7. Ask for help. If you're stuck on something, or something just doesn't seem to make sense, you can always ask for help. Talk to your teachers or lecturers about the things you don't understand. Talk to your friends and fellow students too. 8. Stay motivated. When you're studying, it helps to keep in mind your reasons for doing all this hard work. Like a course or career you're working towards. It can help to have something in your study space to remind you of your goals. You could also decorate your study space with inspirational quotes or photos of people you admire and family members you want to make proud of you. 9. Look after yourself. You'll study better if you take care of yourself. Make sure you eat well and get enough sleep and physical exercise. Don't reward yourself with too many sugary or fatty snacks or push yourself to study late into the night. It's also a good idea to make sure you drink lots of water when you're studying. 1.